Ever wonder how platforms like Netflix and YouTube stream content to millions at once? Let's dive into the tech that makes it possible. 1. Content Delivery Networks, CDNs. At the core are CDNs, a network of servers worldwide. When you press play, the closest server delivers the content, reducing buffering and speeding up load times. CDNs help balance the traffic load, ensuring millions can watch without overwhelming a single server. 2. Video compression platforms use video compression algorithms like H.264 or HEVC to shrink video files without sacrificing quality. This makes streaming smoother and less data-heavy, preventing slowdowns. 3. Adaptive bitrate streaming services use adaptive bitrate streaming, which adjusts video quality based on your internet speed. If your connection weakens, the quality drops to prevent buffering, then improves when the connection gets better. 4. Cloud infrastructure. Behind the scenes, streaming services rely on powerful cloud infrastructure to handle and deliver massive amounts of data, scaling up to meet demand. CDNs, video compression, adaptive streaming, and cloud infrastructure work together to deliver seamless streaming to millions of users around the world.